Yeah.
But
For the general public.
no,
Well, some of it's, got to do with the time of year and all that. Well, the time of year they're way more aggressive.
They haul out.
protect
They're
animals.
hauling out there for the big herring run in March.
That's a big boy up top.
yeah,
Yep. He would be called the beach master.
Bubba Fett.
Oh, look, is that one eating here, or is it just a walk?
Woo!
Yeah, okay, we'll stay over here.
Yeah. Sometimes at Norris you come back and they come back with you and you do like the ladders here and you turn around and look and you've got like 40 pairs of eyes staring at you. And they are huge. California sea lions are just so much more
I don't think we get those up here.
very occasional.
I can never remember which is
He's itching his ass.
Smaller, a little. Color doesn't really help much. They don't have the sort of funny head shape.